Let's break down the advantages step by step for each component of Krishna Engineering's bucket handle manufacturing plant. Advantages of bucket handle making machine. 1. Precision and consistency. Our bucket handle making machine ensures precise and consistent handle production, eliminating variations in size and quality. 2. High production capacity. Benefit from increased production rates with our efficient machine, allowing you to meet growing demands without compromising quality. 3. Customization options. Tailor your bucket handles to specific dimensions and materials, giving you the flexibility to create handles that match your product requirements. 4. Cost efficiency. Reduce costs and material wastage thanks to automation and precision. Make our machine a cost-effective choice. Advantages of powder coating plant electric and gas-fired heating modes. 1. Enhanced aesthetics. Achieve a flawless and aesthetically pleasing finish on your bucket handles, enhancing the overall appearance of your products. 2. Versatility. Choose between electric and gas-fired heating modes based on your energy efficiency and cost preferences, ensuring flexibility in your production process. 3. Consistent coating. Our powder coating plant ensures an even and consistent coating application, reducing the risk of defects or imperfections. 4. Durability. The powder coating process adds an extra layer of protection to your handles, increasing their resistance to wear, corrosion, and environmental factors. Advantages of bucket handle gripping machine. 1. Efficiency and speed. The bucket handle gripping machine streamlines the finishing process, increasing production efficiency and reducing handling time. 2. Ease of operation. User-friendly controls make it easy for your workforce to operate the machine, minimizing training requirements. 3. Precision handling. Ensure secure and precise attachment of handles to your buckets, preventing any inconsistencies or misalignments. 4. Quality assurance. Our gripping machine plays a crucial role in the final quality check, ensuring that every bucket handle is securely and accurately attached. As you've witnessed, Krishna Engineering's bucket handle manufacturing plant offers precision, quality, and efficiency at every step. Elevate your bucket production with us today. Contact us to explore how our expertise and technology can meet your bucket handle manufacturing needs. Remember, your success is our priority.